In today's world, technology has helped doctors discover the exact place where diseases can show up. They have come to the conclusion that 90% of all diseases show signs of appearing in the mouth. Because this percentage is so high, it's very important, almost crucial, that people maintain good oral hygiene. When you go too long without brushing or flossing, fatal diseases can form, causing your whole body to be affected by the diseases in your mouth. It's easier to just take good care of your mouth than try to correct the damage done to your teeth when it's already too late. Now, I know most people have heard about the dangers of bad oral hygiene at least a dozen times, but most people still don't take the dangers of not brushing their teeth serious enough. Good oral hygiene is a real thing, and everyone needs to be informed on the dangers of not taking care of their teeth. There are so many benefits to brushing twice a day and maintaining a healthy mouth that it's almost silly to not take care of your teeth. I'm sure people know that it's bad not to brush their teeth twice a day, but I don't think most people know exactly what happens to your teeth when you go too long without brushing and flossing. Several diseases can form when your teeth aren't properly taken care of, and most of these diseases can cause permanent damage to your teeth. My goal is to simply inform all of you how serious bad oral hygiene is, so that you can possibly leave here wanting to change something about your oral hygiene. Now, some people may think that there aren't a lot of benefits to brushing twice a day. In a recent article titled Oral Hygiene, Green Lane, the author, stated, "It is important to get into a regular habit of good oral hygiene, in particular, regular teeth brushing and cleaning between teeth. Getting into a habit is the hard part. It's a known fact that it takes 21 days to get into a habit. That's not even a month. That sounds pretty easy, right? In just 21 short days, you can get into a routine of brushing and flossing twice a day. If you do maintain a healthy mouth, you won't have to suffer the consequences of not taking care of your teeth later on. All those nasty diseases such as gingivitis and periodontitis will never have to appear in your mouth." Now, I've been talking a lot about all the bad things that come when you don't take care of your mouth, but do you really know exactly what happens when you don't brush and floss? When you go too long without brushing and flossing, diseases such as gingivitis and periodontitis can start to form, causing your gums to become infected with bacteria. This on the left is a picture of teeth with, these are healthy gums, and then on the right is teeth that do not have healthy gums and suffer from gingivitis and periodontitis. In this diagram, you can tell that this gum is not infected because it's pink and healthy, and that one is brown and it's become detached from the tooth. That is gingivitis, and that is periodontitis because the bone and the gum are both spaced away from the tooth. Okay, in another recent article titled "Why a Healthy Mouth is Good for You," doctors have stated that long-term gum infection can eventually result in the loss of your teeth. These diseases are especially harmful when you're pregnant because oral diseases can enter the bloodstream and affect the growth and development of the fetus. They're also very bad for your body even when you're not pregnant because they can still enter into your bloodstream. Now, I mentioned two types of diseases earlier, and you might be curious as to what they actually are. Gingivitis is the infection around the tooth. So, that one, the gum that are all around the teeth. This disease can have the potential to affect your entire body, not just your mouth. Periodontitis is a more severe case than gingivitis. This is the kind of disease where your teeth basically turn into mush and eventually fall out. That's the one that affects your bone. Or that picture right there. That's gingivitis. That's periodontitis. And you can tell that that one is worse than that one. In another article called Oral Health, A Window to Your Overall Health, the Mayo Clinic staff stated that oral diseases can lower the body's resistance to infection, making oral health problems more severe. Now, doctors have discovered too many horrible diseases for humans to not take them seriously. It's important that everyone is informed on the dangers of not brushing their teeth. From the examples I just mentioned here, I hope everyone can think twice next time they think they can go a day or two without brushing. There are just too many risks that come from not brushing that it really is just better for us all to brush and floss every day and take our chances with the consequences that follow. A healthy mouth means a healthy body for all of us.